Hello students, I am Shalu Rajput from my YouTube channel We Do It. Let's start our topic major domains of the earth. Our earth is divided into four major domains, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. As shown in the pic, brown color resembles lithosphere, green color resembles atmosphere and the blue color resembles hydrosphere, and combination of all three spheres which is in the center, it is biosphere, which is the most important sphere of the earth on which life exists. Let's we talk about the most important sphere, which is lithosphere, on which we live. Lithosphere is consist of two words. One is lithos, which means rocks, and sphere means area. Hence we can say that the rocky part of the earth crust is called lithosphere. And as we know that earth crust has two main division. One is the continent and second one is oceans. Let's we discuss in detail earth surface. Earth is made up of three main layers. One is core, which is the innermost layer. Second one is mantle, which is the middle layer, and the third one is crust, which is the outermost layer on which we live. Has two main division as shown in the second image, the continental crust and one is the oceanic crust. Continental crust, uh, uh, let's we know about the continent. Continents, the big portion of the land is called continent. It is separated from the water bodies. There are mainly seven major continents which are as shown in the map. One is North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And uh, there is a list of seven continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent of the world. If we divide the world map in four major parts, then you will see that Asia lies in the eastern hemisphere and the Tropic of Cancer passes through. Next one is Europe. Europe is much smaller than and the second smallest continent of the world. It lies to the west of Asia and Arctic Circle passes through the Europe. And Europe is bounded by water bodies on three sides. Now next is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent, and the major most important thing that this is the only continent through which three major important latitudes, which is Tropic of Cancer, Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass, and equator runs through the middle of this continent. And most importantly, world's largest desert, that is Sahara desert, is located in Africa. North America is the third largest continent and it is also bounded by three oceans. On the north by the Arctic Ocean, on the west by the Atlantic Ocean and on the east by the Pacific Ocean. And it is also linked of South America by a very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Next one, the South America. It is the fourth largest continent of the world, and the major part of this continent is located in the southern hemisphere. Atlantic Ocean surround it on the east and the Pacific Ocean is on the west. The world largest mountain, that is the Andes, runs through it, and the world's largest river, the Amazon, flows in this continent. Next one is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and it is also known as the island continent because it is surrounded on the all sides by the oceans and the seas. And the most important, this continent is completely located in the southern hemisphere. Next we talk about the most important continent, that is Antarctica. It is very huge and completely lies in the southern hemisphere. It is permanently covered with ice sheet and there is no permanent human settlement due to its extreme climatic condition, but many countries set up research stations there. That's why Antarctica is also called the continent of science. India has also established two research stations, namely Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Now it's the time to know amazing facts about the earth. Earth is the only planet not named after a Greek Roman god, while others planet named after a Greek Roman god, for example Mars. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. It is considered as a protector of Rome. Do you know that? Next one is amazing fact is about Earth. Earth is recycled. How? Due to the rock cycle process and about the water cycle process. Okay students, in the next video we will understand next topic. Till then, stay happy and keep learning.